Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and for today I will be talking about CERAMSITE Pebbles that I just recently bought. So it comes in this 5.5 kilograms packaging and it cost me about 230 pesos or $3.92. And if gagamit nga tayo ng CERAMSITE Pebbles, madami nga siyang benefits or advantages such as it's natural, it's very long lasting and reusable din siya. And ang maganda rin sa mga CERAMSITE Pebbles, they actually reduce the risk of root rot and even yung mga soil-loving bedbugs like the root mealy and the fungus gnats. So, I will be using this for my potting mix, or I will be adding this in my potting mix. Aside from that one, pwede rin siya for decorative purposes, for hydroponics, kasi nga very colorful yung pebbles na ito as compared doon nga sa LECA pebbles na brownish lang yung kanyang color. So yung weight niya is medyo mabigat. So I think that's the disadvantage if you're gonna be using CERAMSITE Pebbles. Talagang mabigat siya, para siyang bato, or very similar siya sa weight ng marbles or yung mga jolens natin. So this is yung ating CERAMSITE Pebbles as compared dito nga sa ating LECA Pebbles. So maganda rin naman ang LECA Pebbles. Unfortunately, very lightweight siya, and every time I water my plants, talagang nagfo-float yung ating clay pebbles as compared dito sa ating CERAMSITE Pebbles na talagang nagstay lang sila as is, which makes it convenient pag nagdidilig nga tayo sa kanila. So I will be using this CERAMSITE Pebbles as a top dressing dito nga sa ating snake plants and other ornamental plants. So if we're gonna be touching itong ating CERAMSITE Pebbles, talagang wala siyang, there's no any dust or residue na may iwan sa inyong kamay. Ayan. So they are also using this one for fish tanks actually. But you also need to remember that CERAMSITE Pebbles has no nutrients at all. Kaya make sure na if you're gonna be preparing your potting mix, you have to also provide your plants or succulents with the nutrients that they need. Ayan.